So guys, once you have the card, punta tayo sa ating PAYMAYA app and then punta tayo sa pinakababa, tabi ng home yung My Cards po. After nyan, tap natin yung link PAYMAYA card. Kung makikita mo dito guys, PAYMAYA card 1 tsaka PAYMAYA card 2, yan ay dahil meron akong na-link na dalawang PAYMAYA cards. Yung isa yung PAYMAYA card talaga and yung second yung MVP rewards card na nakuha ko lang for free. Anyway, tap natin tong link PAYMAYA card. Lagay lang natin dito yung info, guys. So, up to 3 cards po yung pwede natin i-link dito, which is cool, diba? So, lagay natin dito yung card number. Card number makikita definitely sa card, yung 16 digits po. Valid through, ayan, nasa baba po ng card number. And then yung CVV, yan yung makikita sa likod ng card na 3 digits po. Nominate 6-digit PIN. And i-retype mo lang yung 6-digit PIN po. So, lagay ko lang dito yung info guys. I will be back. And there you have it guys. After natin mag-link yung card, ayan na siya. Successfully linked na po yung ating card. Ang galing, diba? So, ibig sabihin, kapag na-link na yung card dito sa ating PAYMAYA app, ibig sabihin, pwedeng-pwede na natin gamitin yung card para makapag-shop online and in stores. Pwede rin tayo makapag-withdraw gamit itong card na to. And kung magkano yung laman ng ating PAYMAYA app, yun din yung magiging laman ng ating PAYMAYA card kasi nga na-link na po sila sa isa't isa. Okay? So anyway guys, ayan, as you can see, 3 PAYMAYA cards na yung na-link natin dito. And meron din tayong online payment card dyan. Alright? So anyway guys, sana nakatulong kahit paano itong video na ito sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good night. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. At kung hindi ka pa part ng Micafam, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka every time meron tayong bagong videos, merong bagong updates, and merong giveaways for you. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.